Hi, I'm Carlino, and I have a Dodge Charger that won't start. This is Diablo. Diablo's been sitting for 3 months without ever being started, and so now I'm trying to start the engine and it just doesn't quite have enough juice. The other problem is that the front end of the car is in the garage and there is no way that I'm getting jumper cables up there. However, with the 2014 Dodge Charger and probably all the newer ones, the battery is in the back. So I'm going to try jumping it from the trunk, and I don't see why that shouldn't work. So just so that you know, you hook up negative to negative, positive to positive. If you screw that up, you can ruin your battery. So just don't. I'm going to start the engine on Charlie. The truck's name is Charlie, by the way. Alright, well, nothing's smoking. That's a good sign. It was so close to starting before, I'm half tempted to just go ahead and see if, with the extra juice, we'll be able to turn over. See if this works. That's it. All right. So there you go. Seeing that you do not need to be afraid to try to jumpstart a Dodge Charger from the trunk. This is Carlino telling you to be brave and have fun.